Raising your prices or completely changing your pricing model can be one of the most scary things any business owner has to go through, especially when it comes to community-driven businesses where you have such a close relationship with your customers. Yet is one of the strongest levers you can pull in order to drive significant change to your financial situation, as well as behavioral changes in your community. In the almost 20 years I've been in business, I've been going through several of these changes, as well as several occasions where we thought about introducing a price change but decided not to go through with it. And underneath these decisions lays a really powerful thinking process that I want to share with you. And the short version of it sounds very simple. It starts with you lay out your current situation, you write out the desired effects you want to have, and then you build a step-by-step case that you believe can lead you there. And along each step of the way, you figure out what are the negative outcomes that can happen at the same time and find solutions for cutting off those negative branches ahead of time. So when you roll out this process, you don't have to go through this pain of rolling back the change because the community was so against it, or having to supplement your policies because you didn't think through everything in detail, and really minimize the pain of change and maximizing the possibility for you to reach your desired goal. And bonus is if you can also build in positive reinforcing loops that feeds off each other so that you get more and more of that desired effect. And this is what I'm sharing in my next video. So join me over at YouTube where we can geek out on this together. I'll see you there.